Hey, so it's been a while. I know I'll explain in a little bit about why I've been away from YouTube for a little bit, but today is all about diffusing for zero frizz and maximum definition. If you want to see how I got these results, keep on watching and remember to hit that subscribe button so you can join the Terror Squad and catch all of my videos. So let's get right into it. So it has been a long time. I have been away from YouTube for like, I don't know, four months or something like that. And sorry for people who have been subscribed to my channel and I haven't uploaded in so long. I'm going to start uploading again every Tuesday, every single week, because I'm getting back on it. I took a break because I was focusing a lot of my time on growing my Instagram. And now that I've done that, before I took my break, I was at about 1,000 and now I'm at 12,000. So thank you so much for everyone who's followed me and helped me grow the Terror Squad. So now I'm back on YouTube, but I'm going to be consistent on Instagram and YouTube. I just need to put a little bit more time, a little bit more time management. So if you're wondering why my hair is looking a little crazy right now, this is a diffusing video, totally focused on diffusing. My hair is freshly washed and I applied all of my products already. I use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I used the Mielle Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream as a styler. And for my gel, I use the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. So those are the products that I have in my hair right now. And I twisted it up. I like to twist it up in a bun a little bit and let it set because it helps my curls clump that way. And it helps me to prepare for diffusing. So I twist it up in a bun and just let it chill there. And while that's doing its thing, I'll do my makeup and do, I don't know, whatever else I gotta do. So I have my diffuser here, so I'm gonna go ahead and shake it down. So I'm shaking my hair out, and to prepare, I'm gonna go ahead and scrunch it with my hands a couple of times just to really get that curl pattern going. And my hair feels super soft, so it also helps my hair absorb the product even more. So my curls will be nice and frizz-free and super defined, which is what we want. So I'm smoothing over my edges here a little bit because they're looking just a little bit frizzy. So what I'm gonna do, and around my hairline for whatever reason is always kind of frizzy. So I'm just gonna grab a couple where I see, and I'll just go ahead and finger coil those, couple of strands. Okay. So this is what my hair is looking like right now when it's wet. If you haven't noticed, I also cut my hair. So I did have some heat damage on the lower portion of my hair from where I used to straighten it all the time. So I went to Nubia Suarez. She's like a curly guru hair cutter. If you go to my Instagram at Beauty by Tara Marique, I have a video on there on the before and after of the haircut if you want to go ahead and check it out. But she went ahead and she cut off maybe like 4 or 5 inches or so. So my hair is shorter than it was before. So on my Instagram, I'm also going to be doing like my hair growth journey throughout the year. So make sure you go follow me on there. And I'm going to wash all this gunk off of my hands. And then I'll be right back to diffuse. So I'm going to be doing this in sections because when my hair dryer is going, I don't want to talk because you're not going to be able to hear me. And it'll just not be productive. So for when you're first starting diffusing for proper frizz-free ultra-defined curls, go ahead and grab your diffuser. And what most people do is just they go right in and they start like scrunching up and flopping their hair all around. And what you're doing is creating frizz that way. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and take your diffuser and you first want to hover over the root. And you want to just hover there and wait till the root is about 80% dry before you go in and start scrunching. And also when you do go ahead and start scrunching your hair, You want to grab it in medium-sized sections, and then you want to hold it up, and you want to hold it there for about a minute. You don't want to keep moving your hair up and down like this, because again, the more you manipulate your hair while it's wet, the more you encourage frizz, and we don't want that. That's not why you're here watching this video. So we're not going to go ahead and do that. And of course, you want to put your dryer on low power, and I put mine on warm heat because honestly, if I dry my hair on cool heat, I would be blow drying my hair all night long, and ain't nobody got time for that. So I put mine on warm, and I don't experience any damage, and my dryer doesn't get too hot, so I'm not concerned about any heat damage or anything like that. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and hover over my roots until they're about 80% dry, and then I'll come back to do the rest.
I don't want you to carry the world on your back like a boulder. Your worst days are over. Now you got me in a dress I always knew existed. Had a little dream that I came for a visit. Is it what you imagined, is it? Oh, you can write a note or let me tag along. We're headed to the same place anyway.
So my roots are now about 75 to 80% dry, so I'm going to go ahead and start drying the rest of my hair. So what I'm going to do, another tip is you're really not supposed to dry your hair upside down for the entire time. I do start with flipping my hair over to one side, and I'll do that for about 15 minutes. Flip it over to the other side in about 15 minutes, and then I'll finish off drying my hair upside down. And like I said, you go ahead and take your diffuser and grab a medium section of hair and gently hold it up like this. And then you want to hold it for about a minute. You don't want to keep moving the diffuser piece through your hair, because again, it'll cause too much manipulation, and if you're prone to frizz, it will not help you. So you're going to go ahead and do that. And you're going to do that all throughout your hair, even on this side, and when you flop it over that side, and then finish drying upside down. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish off diffusing the rest of my hair really quick, and then when I get back, my hair will be totally dry, and then we can see all the finished results.
If they fly, we'll run away. What you gonna do when they make you a hero? Got a president paying you checks on his payroll. You're the man in the mirror. Well, my granddad medals when he fought in the Union. Flying jets on a Soviet game plan. He was just like you, a real man. But it don't last too long. Don't run so fast, I wanna tag along. We're headed to the same place anyway. If it's safe, we'll stay. If they fly, we'll run away. I know another cold by the town you'd never imagine. Take it to a cove, couple miles, no redwood cabin. Every day right, magic caption. Up and down, but it don't last too long. I'm keeping up, I wanna tag along. We're headed to the same place.
So my hair is finally dry. My hair takes forever to dry, like forever to dry, but it's finally dry. And these are the results. As you can see, I have absolutely zero frizz with my curls, and I'll give you a view of the back here. So whenever I want a super defined wash and go, this is what I'll do. Sometimes I opt more for volume, so I'll go ahead and like touch my hair while it's still wet, because it helps it be a little bit more fluffy. But you will get a little frizz if you are touching your hair with your hands while it's wet and while you're trying to diffuse. So if you don't mind a little bit of frizz, you can go ahead and go that route. But this is the best way to diffuse for absolutely no volume and maximum definition. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe and join the Terror Squad so you don't miss any of my uploads. And I'll see you next week. Bye.